Just like with any other still object, you can go around and utilize the design ideas right here and present your videos in different ways right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and crop out your videos right here. So you can go around and crop it out right here to show the portion of the video that you like right here, just like this, and then click outside and the cropping has been applied. Similarly, you can go around and click on set to background right here, just like this, and the video gets set as background, just like this, as you can see right here. You can also go around and rotate it out right here, just like this, rotate it left and right, just like this, and then this is what you have. You can also go around and detach out it from the background as well. You can also go around and change around the position of this particular video layer if you have multiple layers right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto let's say graphics right here, just like this, and this is what I have right here. You can see that this particular square object is on the top, and you can go around and change it out, bring it to front as well. And you can also go around and change around the opacity of the video right here, and you can see that this is what you have, just like this. So that is how you can go around and then adjust out videos inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe